Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to fix lock screen and home screen blur wallpaper problem on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off dim lock screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, click on focus. On the focus page, click on do not disturb mode. On the do not disturb mode page, click on option. On the option page, turn off dim lock screen. Solution number 2. Turn off the blur feature for home screen wallpaper. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, click on wallpaper. On the wallpaper page, click on customize option. On the customize page, turn off blur option. Click on done. Solution number 3. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, click on general. On the general page, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, then click on reset all setting. Thanks for watching this video.